Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make and share your very own ClickUp template. Whether you're organizing projects for your team, setting up repeatable workflows, or you simply want to save time by reusing layouts you already love, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your ClickUp workspace and navigate to the space you want to turn into a template. Once you're inside that space, look for the option labeled Space Settings. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details, because ClickUp gives you a lot of flexibility when creating templates. Next, click on Space Settings, and from the menu that appears, select Templates. You'll see several options here that help you manage, save, and share templates. Go ahead and choose Save as Template. This is where ClickUp lets you customize everything from the name of your template to how you want it shared. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing complicated to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure the space you're saving is clean and organized. Double-check that all tasks and statuses are set the way you want them. And confirm that sensitive information has been removed. If you plan to share the template publicly, doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've filled out the name, decide how you want to share your template. You can make it available to everyone in your workspace, or you can choose public sharing to generate a link that anyone outside ClickUp can use. After selecting your preferred option, click Save Template. Next, ClickUp will process your template and store it in your template library. After that, you should be able to reuse or share it without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to test your template by applying it to a new space. This ensures everything loads correctly and keeps your workflows consistent. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create and share your own ClickUp templates easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?